Hello, dear students. Greetings of the day. I, Mohammad Zishan, welcome you to the second lecture of Geography, in which we are studying chapter number 7, Volcanoes. So, dear students, in this lecture, we are going to study about the products of volcano and the structure of volcano. Now, what are the products of volcanoes? Products means what do we get when the volcano erupts? So, we get different types of material when volcano erupts. The main material is lava. Okay, lava is the molten rocks are called magma when they are inside the earth surface, and when this magma, or you can say the molten rocks, very fiery of hot molten rocks which are of reddish color, right, when they reach the surface, on the surface of the earth, they are called lava, right? So lava and magma, they both are the same things, but this molten rocks, these molten rocks below the earth surface are called magma, and on the earth surface when they come out are called lava. So that thing we get whenever the volcano takes place, and apart from that we get some solid material also. When volcano erupts, then the crust which is overlying to the mantle or asthenosphere, the hard surface of that crust got broken down, right, and that entire surface is blasted through the cracks. Okay, and we get what we get, some pyroclast means the fragmented rocks, and other than that we obtain some ash also, we obtain uh, dust also, and the water vapor also, right? Whenever volcano erupts, water vapor also erupts, and some geysers or hot springs also emerges. Okay, so these things we will discuss these things in detail, and other than that we will study about the structure of the earth. Okay, what not sorry structure of the earth, structure of the volcano. Okay, what type of structure a volcano is having. In that we will be studying about the volcanic cone, right, the cone shaped structure landform. Okay, uh, to which we call what, a volcanic cone, that we will study. And then we will study that what is vent, what is crater, what is pipe or conduit, what is magma chamber, and what are the parasitic cones. Okay, and all these things we will study when we will study the structure of volcano. So let us begin our chapter. So first thing is magma or lava. So in your book it is given that the molten rock material inside the earth is known as magma. When it reaches the surface of earth, it is known as lava. It consists of many materials and gases. Steam is the most abundant gas that comes out of a volcano. When steam is ejected in huge quantities, it forms clouds in the atmosphere, resulting in rainfall. Other gases ejected by volcanoes include hydrogen sulfide, sulfur dioxide, carbon dioxide, and hydrogen. Okay, so first of all, let us understand, okay, what is lava or magma. What is the difference between lava and magma? Suppose this is the surface of the earth, right? So here the molten material or the molten rocks will be called what? They will be called magma, right? And when they evolve from it, okay, and get deposited on the surface of the earth, okay, here, right, when they are getting deposited from here to here on the surface of the earth, okay, right, they are called lava, right? So that is the difference, means the molten hot fiery molten rocks inside the earth surface are called magma, and outside the earth surface, on the surface of the earth, are called lava. Now this lava or magma, what does it consist of? So it is consist of, magma is consist of molten rocks, and these rocks are of silica, right? Plus it contains water vapor, plus it contains gases like carbon dioxide plus sulfur dioxide plus nitrogen, okay, or and other than that so many other gases are there, okay. Hydrogen is also there, okay. S2 had these, so this thing is called magma, okay. All these things comprising all together are called magma. So this magma comes out, okay, and becomes what? When it comes out on the surface of the earth, it becomes lava, right? Now lava is of two types. Lava is of two types. Okay, if you have written this, let me erase this. Lava is of two type, okay. Basic lava and acidic lava. Basic lava and acidic lava, okay, right. Now basic lava, this is the hottest, okay, and it is highly fluid and dark colored. It is rich in iron plus Mg, and Mg means magnesium, and this is poor in silica. Whereas acidic lava is highly viscous. Highly viscous means highly sticky or chipchipa, right? And then it is lesser fluid, okay, and it is light in color, and it is having high percentage of what? High percentage of silica. So what does it contains? It is first of all highly viscous. Highly viscous. It means that it is very thick, okay, sticky. And second, less fluid, okay, and then it is light in color, and high percentage of silica is there inside. High percentage of silica balu, right, is there. So this is basic lava. Basic lava is very hot, okay. It is the hottest, and the temperature is around 100 not 100 1000 degree Celsius. Hottest 1000 degree Celsius, right. The temperature of lava varies from 800 degrees Celsius to 1200 degrees Celsius, okay. Then after that we are having, it is highly fluid. Highly fluid. What does that mean? It means that basic lava flows to the larger areas, okay. If it is emerging from here, right, it may flow till here or till here, okay. It may flow very large area, okay, and hence it covers the entire region and give the entire region a shape of a shield, okay, right. So volcanic shields are created by always basic lava, not the acidic lava, because acidic lava is highly sticky or viscous or thick, okay, and it is less fluid, okay. It cannot flow to the large extent on the surface of the earth, okay, right. It just remain depositing on nearby places only, here and here and here. So when it keep depositing around the vent only, vent means the opening of the volcano only, then what will happen? This material will be deposited there, then again eruption will take place, then again it will be erupted, and very high cone will be formed, okay, because of the frequent eruptions of the cone and the deposition of this acidic lava to on the nearby grounds, okay. What will it will lead towards the making of formation of very higher dome, okay. And in case of basic lava, the height of dome will be lesser because the lava will keep flowing downside, okay, to very large area on the surface of the earth, and it will just cover the entire area, okay, and will give a shape of shield to that area. So it is highly fluid, and then we are having, it is dark colored. Colored spelling, this color and this color both are correct, okay. Then it is rich in iron plus magnesium, rich in iron Fe plus magnesium Mg, right, and poor in silica, it is poor in silica, right, balu, right, and then it forms what? Shield, volcanic shield, clear. So here basic lava will form a cone like this. Suppose this is the surface of the earth, will keep depositing this way. Whereas this is highly fluid, so what will happen? It will flow in this manner, right? Here it will leads to the formation of the cone height will be lesser and the cone height will be very higher here in the acidic lava. It will lead to the formation of volcanic shield. So this was about the lava, right? Then let me check the video. Okay, next is the solid material. The solid material which we get, okay, is actually the fragmented rocks. Solid matter, the solid fragments are rock pieces known as pyroclast. Okay, pyroclast like lapilli. Okay, and the fine particles are called dust. The dust particles go on increasing in size. The small stone sized particles are called lapilli, and violent eruptions known as bombs eject more materials. Okay, so what is pyroclast? What do we get in solid material? In solid materials, when the volcanic eruption takes place, then what happens? Then from here, the overlying rocks, okay, these rocks are there, okay, these layers of rocks are there. So they first of all surfaces like this, okay, and whenever the pressure is getting applied by the magma inside on the faults or the layers of the crust, then what happens? It started bulging outside this manner, okay, in this manner, right? And then after that, from inside cracks are generated and the explosion takes place this manner, okay. So when the explosion takes place, so these rocks layers, right, are broken down into small pieces, okay, right, and those fragments are flown, okay, in the sky, right, in the air, and then they fall on the surface of the earth, okay, like bombs, okay, getting or not? So we call that the fragmented rock bombs, okay, and then after that they get deposited on the ground near the vent only, okay, and then what happened? Then the volcanic ash, okay, the volcanic ash get here, let me tell you. So suppose these layers are there. I am not spoiling this picture, okay. Suppose these layers of earth crust are there, then what will happen, these will be broken down, okay, and then what will happen, the pieces, okay, will fall down here like this. They will be flown in this manner, okay, from here, and will be deposited, okay, on the surface of the earth in this manner. So first this layer will be of, you can say, the rocks, whether it is sedimentary rocks or igneous rocks inside that only, okay, all these rocks, right, one layer will be there, and then after that the volcanic ash or dust will come out, okay, volcanic ash and dust will be deposited here in this manner, okay, like this, getting or not, right, and then afterwards the lava will be deposited, okay, in this manner, clear. And when this process repeats again and again over the period of time, this process again here, this process, then it will lead to the formation of a composite cone. Which cone? Composite cone. Composite cone, right. This is how the composite cones are formed. So basically cones are formed by the fragmented rocks and the volcanic ash and the lava on it, okay. So now these solid materials which we get, okay, the fragmented solid rocks are called pyroclast. What they are called? These all are called pyroclast. Pyro means fire, okay, pyroclast. So pyroclasts are, these are the coarser fragmental rocks. What we can call it? We can write like this: pyroclast is equals to pyroclasts equals to coarser fragmented rock pieces or rocks, okay, the broken down of fragmented rocks, okay, and it contains what it contains cinder or lapilli, scoria, pumice, and volcanic bombs. These all terms you have to remember, that it contains cinder or lapilli. What are these? These are the cinder, lapilli, or these all things are the fragments of rocks, okay, and they have been named according to its size, okay. The very fine particles are called the volcanic dust, okay, and the particles which are bigger than that are called volcanic ash, and the particles which are bigger than the ash are called cinder or lapilli, okay, and the particles which are bigger than cinder and lapilli are called scoria, likewise, okay, pumice and volcanic bombs, okay, all these things, pumice. So these are the fragments, okay, on the basis of the size, clear. These all are called pyroclast altogether. So what do we get? We get the products of volcano: magma as well as solid material. Magma, I have told you what is magma, what does it include, and solid material, pyroclast, coarser fragmental rocks which contain cinder, lapilli, scoria, pumice, volcanic ash, dust, and all these things, okay. Pyroclast is the coarser fragmental rocks, not the volcanic ash and dust, clear. Then we will study the structure of volcano. Now, structure of volcano, what is the structure of volcano? Structure of volcano. Okay, I have drawn two pictures for you already there, okay. So that is the, here I have told you how the volcanicity takes place. Volcanicity means the process of emergence of volcano, or the process of emergence of hot lava or magma from the Earth's astronosphere, right? So that process I have already explained. Right now, I will explain you okay, what are the different parts of volcano, what kind of structure a volcano is having. Okay, so first of all, for the emergence of volcano, we should have a what? We should have a magma chamber. So here, this thing is magma chamber. This entire region is called magma chamber. Let me write here magma chamber. This is magma chamber. Magma chamber means the deposit of magma, right? And this one pipe structure is called conduit. What? It is called conduit or pipe. This structure is called conduit or pipe. Okay, and here upside. Okay, upside this one region, this conduit from the upper conduit is called throat. What it is called? Throat. And this region, okay, this region is called neck here also and here also. Okay, neck starts from here to here. Okay, so this entire region from here to here is called neck also. Okay, neck, this one till here. Okay, right, and this opening is called vent. V-E-N-T, vent slash opening, and this is this one. Okay, right, and this one hollow, right, this one hollow or depression is called crater. What? This is called crater. Clear? This is called crater. Crater is generally a gadha. Okay, right. So this hollow on the mouth of a volcanic cone is called crater, and this is what? This is vent or opening. Clear? And other than that, this is what? This is the volcanic ash cloud. Volcanic ash cloud, which is of mushroom shape. Volcanic ash cloud which is of mushroom shape. Okay, then other than that, what we may have, so we know that this magma, right, find its way because of the very high pressure. This magma is forced to move upside. Okay, right, and when it moves upside, it finds its way in some cracks. Okay, and those cracks are deepened by this ascending magma, and then after that it makes a way, right, and after making its way it explode, right, and this material, okay, which was under high pressure, emerges out, okay, comes out from the surface of the earth, and that is called volcano. So if in this manner it is coming out, this is volcano, right? And if suppose if this magma, okay, finds another way here like this, okay, another crack, okay, and try to comes out from here, right, from this part of the cone, then what will happen, right? This will be like this. Second volcano will be obtained from here, right, and this region will be called parasitic cone, right, parasitic cone. Clear? So here again one cone will be formed in this manner. I am forming the cone in this manner, right, above this, right. So and this will be called what? This will be called parasitic cone. Means why parasitic? Because one cone was already there, and uh, this magma which is coming out from here, right, from this vent, is actually spoiling or deforming the shape of this cone, right? And that is why it is called parasite. Okay, parasitic cone. So we call it parasitic cone. Like on Mount Etna in Italy, right? So many parasitic cones are there. Parasitic cones. Clear? So these many things are there which you need to remember, right? Which comes under the structure of volcano. Let me find few more. So, structure of a volcano, the very hot material that the volcano pours out creates both inside the earth and on the surface of the structure. Structures typical of a particular type of eruption. The eruption may take places quietly or violently. Vent, the lava flows out through an opening in the earth's crust called vent. So, this is the vent, okay, from where the lava is coming out. And then we are having the opening is usually like a circular shape. Okay, there may be only one opening at the summit, however subsidiary vents are formed during repeated eruptions. Okay, so suppose if this eruption took place, and after that what happened? After that, this eruptions was stopped. Okay, when this eruption was stopped, then this magma will get cooled down, okay, and will be frozen. This entire region will be, right, this will cool down and will become very hard. Okay, so this region will work like a plug. Okay, it will be called a plug. This entire region will be work as a plug. And again in future, if this volcanic eruption is taking place from the same region, then what will happen? This plug will be blown out, okay, in a blast, right? Again and again, the size of crater will be increased. Okay, size of crater will be increased, right? Earlier this much crater was there, and now its diameter will be increased. Okay, right, and it will become a caldera, right? Then it will be called caldera, right? The crater will become now caldera. Crater, right, will become caldera, means having very higher diameters. Okay, large diameters. Clear? Then we are having volcanic cone. The erupted fluid materials being hot collects around the vent and begins to cool gradually and solidifies. The accumulation of material around the vent gives to the volcano its typical cone-like shape known as the volcanic cone. These are actually landforms of a volcano, which we will discuss subsequently. Okay, these things we have already studied, right? So this was all about the structure of volcano. In next lecture, we will study about the types of volcano and the effects of volcano. Thank you so much.